Hello, good day. I'm teacher VU. Let me walk you through how to get a police clearance from Hong Kong. Please watch. Let me share my screen now. Okay, this is a step-by-step process. So in your search bar or in a URL, you can type here CNCC. Okay, CNCC means Certificate of No Criminal Conviction, Hong Kong Police Force. Now, let me click this link. There you go. It's loading now. Okay, you can see here their official website. In their official website, we can see here the detailed requirements. If you have time, you can read these requirements. But I will summarize the process by clicking the most important link in this police certificate procedures. This one. Can you see this link? The one that I encircled, www.es.police.gov.hk. Let me click this one. And you need to create your account here. How can you create an account? On the left side of the website, you can see here the profile. Edit user profile. Yung parang may tao dito. Let's click it. And I need to log out because I already created my account. Now let me walk you through how to log in properly. So we can see here the word log in. So here, I already have my account. So you can see there my email and my password. So if you still don't have an account because you're still starting, you just click register. So if you register, you can put here your email, your password, and last name or first name. Like a normal social media. Like a creating social media account. Okay, so let's go back. Since I already I have my account, let me log in first. Okay, in before logging in, they will provide you a email verification code. Let me see my verification code here. I receive it and I let me put it. It's three. Oh, sorry. It should be 434884. Next. Okay. Oh, it's incorrect. Oh, no, 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 no. Since it's incorrect, let's try one more time. Okay, I got it now. Okay, one more time. 435. So you need to be careful. Make sure you have your email account all the time. So there you go. Welcome to online applications platform. Honestly, they have a very good website. It's very systematic and organized, and you can read all the details here. But in this video, I will just let you know the basic and needed and most important information. Since we already log in, let's go here. Let me scroll down. You can see here the word C, the abbreviation CNCC, or the Certificate of No Criminal Conviction. We will click that one. Let's click it. Okay, so as of now, until April 19, you cannot pay online in their uh, website temporarily. But in my case, I applied this March 11. I successfully uh, pay using my debit card. It's so easy. It's like GCash also. But they prefer must Visa card or yeah, Mastercard like that. Okay? So I hope you have prepare your debit card, Visa card, Mastercard, yung basta mga ganun. Credit card. Oh, I'm not sure with the credit card, but you can see there in their information. Once na ano na ayos na yung maintenance nila. For now, I will let you know the basic requirements or the most needed requirements. So, application for you just click it, okay? Okay, upon checking here, before we go through the application form, there are some important description and important notes. So let's focus first here, required document. What are the required documents? Let's read it one by one. We have the Hong Kong identity card. I hope you still have this identity card. Second, we have the letter from the consulate, immigration authority, or government authority. If you're applying for the K1 visa, you can use the K1 FTP letter to prove that the embassy is asking you for a police clearance and you're applying for a K1 visa. Okay, since we have number 1 and 2, we'll proceed with number 3. Okay. This one is optional. Okay. If your name is not on the letter, only the principal applicant or your sponsor. So you need to prove an applicant's relationship. Proof that is he your employer, your husband, your mother, father, like that. But normally in K1 visa, you don't need that. Number 1, 2 are most important. And then this is the needed one. Ayan, a false set of the applicant's fingerprints taken by the law enforcement agency or consulate. So here in Philippines, you can ask a full set of the applicant's fingerprints through your nearest police station forensic team. Upon checking here, it depends on your province. In your regional provincial police station, most of them they can provide, but me, I prefer to go to Camp Crame in Quezon City. I believe they are more professional, expert, and reliable office to do this applicant's fingerprints because I don't want to waste time and I don't want to make mistake with my application. So far my application went through. Okay, that's my suggestion. Go to Camp Crame, Quezon City. Forensic office. All right, next. Okay, we're done with that. Now let's go more. Okay, once you pay, okay, the payment is so easy. Just online like a GCash, but here you need to use debit card or credit card. They don't accept post office payment, okay? No, it's a big no-no. And then after you gather all the data, you can send all the data through their website here in Hong Kong Police Force online applications platform. Once you get also your fingerprints in Camp Crame or in your regional police station, you need to use LBC or other post to send the fingerprints using this office address. Make sure to use the exact correct address and contact information of Hong Kong Police. Nakalagay dyan, 14th floor Arsenal House Police Headquarters, 1 Arsenal Street, 1 Chai, Hong Kong. They have their technical support and they have their email. Okay, now let's go. You can see here I have read and accept all the terms and conditions. So you just click that one and you can click apply now. Okay, there you go. Since I'm already done, I'm still gonna walk you through how to do it. Okay, just here personal information like place of application, of course you're outside Hong Kong, and then ID card and everything. Yeah, basic information, okay? Just basic information. Make sure you send your email. Next. Okay. That's okay. So it didn't go through. I'm already done with this application, but super easy. Okay, just this basic information. And then step 2, upload documents. Okay, your documents. The fingerprints, the letter, scan it. This is just a normal uploading process. Then form preview, you can print that one or have a soft copy of your application form. And lastly is the payment. Again, the payment, it can be debit card, credit card, MasterCard, Visa card. That's all, okay? Now, for example, you already send everything. You can see the status of your application. How? Here, you just click my application. And you can see here I have my reference number. And also make sure to check your email. All the updates are there. You need to open your notifications. You can see here reference number, form. Sorry. You can see here the reference number, form, creation date, submission date, status. Okay. Application concluded with the result issued today. I received an email last March 11 that they already sent my request or my police clearance to US Embassy, Manila. Maybe I need to wait more than 2 weeks for the embassy to notify me, or else I will contact them directly. There you go. I will click this one first. This is the magnifying glass. You can click the magnifying glass here. Okay. There you go. You can see here. Okay, let me delete first this one. Let me clear. Okay. You can there's a download submitted application form. Here you go. Submission date March 11, and then the successfully processed it's March 31. Okay, as long as you provided all the documents needed, I think everything will go smoothly. There you go. Payment settled and application document submitted. You will receive notification for progress update. Fingerprint submission is required. I remember March 13, I submit the fingerprints. Fingerprint accepted and you will receive notification. Oh, sorry. The fingerprint received. No, no, no. I submitted I processed my fingerprint March 13th, and then I sent the documents. That was, I remember, Sunday. So March 15. And then they received the fingerprint accepted and you will receive notification March 23. I remember that. And application March 31. So far it goes smoothly. I hope you do the same. Just read the website and follow these instructions. Again, if you have some follow up, you can message them here. No problem at all because they're replying. Very helpful, very reliable. Okay, so far that's all. If you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can email me in veronicalocadio07@gmail.com. But I prefer comment or any suggestion what I need to teach you also. And on the description, I will send you the address in Camp Crame. So far, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day. Thank you.